Hi children, hope you all are doing good. So today I'll be focusing on the last lesson under Unit 5. It's how streetwise are you? Alright kids, today let's read about traffic signs. Let's discuss traffic problems and also let's write a wish list. So these are the three areas that you are supposed to cover today. Alright, there. Now it's time for you all to go through some common road signs and their meanings. So I have a collection of pictures with me. Let's quickly go through all those road signs and see what they are. Alright, the first picture, you get a circle and the circle is already crossed and you get a P letter here. What does this mean? This says no parking. This is a very common sign or a road sign. It's no parking. Next one, you get a yellow background with an arrow. What does this mean? It says right turn ahead. Next one, you get another yellow background again. You get a car and a road. What does this mean, Pute? Yes, it says that there's a slippery road ahead. A slippery road. Good. Next one. You get another arrow, right? And it says road curves to the right and left. You get road curves, right? Even to the right as well as to the left. Next one. You get a yellow background again with an arrow. So in case if you find an arrow like this on the road, right, it means that you get right and left turns, right? Right and left turns coming, right? So that's the meaning of this particular road sign. All right, kids. So I think we went through very few road signs which are very common to you, right? Right, so kids, now I want you all to turn to page number 44 in your learner's book. Okay, and if I repeat the topic again, it's how streetwise are you? How streetwise are you? Right, I'm moving on to the reading part. Reading question number 1. What do you think these signs mean? So Pute, you can see three signs which are different from the signs which I showed you before. What do you mean by the first one? Yes. So the first sign means it's a danger, right? What about the second one? You can see a rocky is like falling apart and you get a vehicle there. Yes. So this particular road sign, which is yellow and black, it says that it symbolizes there's a rock fall or there's a falling rock, right? And the last one, you get a red triangle and then an animal inside that, a camel. What do you mean by that? Yes, it's a camel crossing, or you can find camels around that place. It's a camel crossing, right? So those are the meanings of those three signs. Moving on to the second question. Read the definitions, then complete the collocations using the words in the box. So what do you mean by collocations? Underline that word, underline it. And write this small explanation under the word collocation. Use a pencil. Collocations means Pute, words which goes together. Words which goes together. Something like buttermilk, pencil case, let's say traffic lights, water bottle. Okay, collocations, they go together. Right. First one, you must stop when the light is red. Traffic lights. Okay, so kids, you see the word traffic and lights, they go together. So likewise, you need to read all the other 7 phrases properly and find the correct collocations or complete the collocations with its proper word. Now see if you go to the second one. Number two, drive slowly over these. So what is the word which goes with the word speed? Is it speed parking or is it speed path? Is it speed limit, speed one way, speed pedestrian, speed lights or speed entry? What is the correct answer? Yes, it's speed limit. You see the word speed and limit, they go together. So it's a collocation. So likewise, I want you to complete all these activities in your writing book. Okay, please make sure you complete this second activity in your writing book. Just write the topic nicely. How straightwise are you? And write the subtopic reading and then complete the second question. Right. Now, I'm moving on to the third and the fourth questions in the same page, Pute, page number 44. Number 3. Work in pairs. Draw signs for 5 of the warnings in exercise 2. Show your signs to another pair of students and ask them to guess what they are. So, Pute, actually you don't have friends with you right now, but you can use your parents or maybe siblings for this activity, right? Better to use a sibling. So, you can read out the warnings in exercise 2, right? Read them and draw 5 road signs or 5 signs. According to your wish, you can draw them, right? And then ask your siblings just to guess them. And ask your siblings to draw something for you. And you try to guess them, right? So that's about the third activity. Question number 4. Design your own road sign and ask other students to guess what it means. So here also you don't get your friends near you, closer to you. So you can draw it for yourself, draw it and then go to your parents or maybe to your siblings, ask them or let them guess. Draw a nice road sign. Make it, draw it, design it, color it, show it to your parents or siblings and ask from them like what does this mean? Okay, so that's about the third and the fourth activities. Okay, so kids, I'm moving on to page number 45 now in the learner's book. Page number 45, learner's book. Right. So kids, it's the grammar part of the day, right? So the topic itself, it says use of English, wish, that plus past tense. So Pute, whenever you need to talk about a wish or if you want to express something that you wish, right? There is a way to do that, right? So you need to definitely use the word wish, use the verb wish when you're wishing for something and you need to add the past tense of a verb there, right? So kids, let's go to the example given here. It says the word wish and then the past tense verb. So the first example, I wish I could run, right? So put a here. The word wish is given and the verb could is also given. I wish I had a bike, right? So the word wish is there as I told you before. The past tense verb is also there, had, right? So had is the past tense verb in this sentence. And if you talk about the previous sentence, could is the past tense verb of can, right? So those are the things that you need to focus on when you're talking about a wish. Okay, I think it's very clear for you. Right, now take your learner's book again and turn to page number 45, right? And please do question number 11, right? It says, write a wish list for your school. Remember to use the past tense after I wish that. So kids, you can see if you use your learner's book right now, you can see there are 4 pictures under question number 11. So you can use those ideas also, add your own ideas also and add the words I wish and then add that particular past tense also, past tense verb, and write a beautiful wish list, right? You may do this in your language writing book. Okay, please do this writing activity in your language writing book. Okay, kids. So once you are done with your learners books activities, please take your activity books, right? After that, complete the activity books pages which are relevant to this lesson, right? Please do those 2 pages also. They are very easy, right? Complete them properly. All right, children. So it's time for me to go. Hope you had a nice time with me. Stay tuned for another session. Thank you for watching, children. Have a good day.